Hey guys, so welcome to Año Nuevo Island. As you can see, there is a lot of activity happening here today. I came out here with a UC researcher and a student to come and put some cinder blocks under the foundation of that old house that is collapsing. But unfortunately, as you can maybe see, right there are some sea lions in the way, and so we couldn't get out there. But it's still an awesome place to visit and look at, and I'm excited to share it with you. There are lots of California and western gulls flying around or sitting around. There are a lot of brown pelicans, and there's also a lot of California sea lions, which are really, really cool. I'm excited to show you. So I'm just going to take a little walk over here. This is actually the Foghorn Building, which is a building that researchers get to come to and stay at when they're doing research here. That window all the way up there is the window to a little loft room that they can sleep in, which is really cool, and has a very nice view, as you can see. But right over this wall, I'm going to show you some California sea lions. Let's see. There they are. So they're just soaking up the rays, sleeping, doing their sea lion daily life routine. But it's a really nice place for them because they don't have to deal with humans at all. The only people that come out here are researchers, and it's just a really nice protected place for them. As you can see over here, there are a lot of brown pelicans, hundreds of brown pelicans, and I thought some of them were white pelicans because they have kind of a white looking face to them, but I was told by Patrick, the UC researcher, that they are indeed brown pelicans, but they're just in their breeding plumage. I don't think you'll be able to see from this far away, but there you go. You can kind of see the white on them. They're pretty awesome looking. Over here we have the blockhouse, which is it's where researchers have a little kitchen. They can keep their stuff there. And then over there you can see the mainland of Santa Cruz Coast, or San Mateo Coast actually. And right over there, past the blockhouse, is the mainland of Año Nuevo. But it's a beautiful day here, really sunny. The glimmer off the water is really gorgeous, as you can see. And it's really amazing to be here and see all the colonies of animals here and how well they're doing. So that has been really amazing. And let's see if I can get a good view. Yeah, there's the house. So old. As you can see, the far end there is like totally falling down. I don't know if you can see that, like right there. Totally falling down. And there is Año Nuevo over there. So yeah, thanks for stopping by and watching this little video, and thank you so much for being a part of our Facebook community and supporting our state parks. Have a great day.